Welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, from one day I try to put out some whole heap of quality content. I try to motivate people, each and every one of you, where they all over the world, because you don't know, I inspire people. And that me depend 2025 and beyond. Inspire people to buy something back at them yard. You see me? When I come from Jamaica, so I hold something back in Jamaica. So no matter where you come from, I could have Trinidad, could have Tobago, or listen me. Whole piece of land, whole something on a yard, whole something on a country. And so US are going now, you see me, I don't know what England are going with or Canada, but you see me, secure in yourself. What kind of language that? Secure. Secure in yourself, get something back on the country. Whole heap of people, I want to say 3.5 million people I enjoy Jamaica a year time, that are people will visit the island, or maybe more than that. You see me? Millions of people are come every year, millions, every summer, I come enjoy Jamaica. How much people are enjoy food on other island them? And not enjoy, work in a coal, and I try to retire at 65. No, come up with another plan, come up with another strategy, when you can either retire early or when you go back on a yard, when you can have somewhere for yourself and stop go resort and then thing there. You see me? One piece of land or something, man, and come enjoy them things out there. But just I try motivate on the start, because when I lie, I come, I did it. Yeah, I'm doing it. Yeah, I'm not done yet. You see me? But I just feel like I need to tell more people to stop praying down the country, because other people are come from all over the world and I can enjoy it. You see me? So I come walk and make it go and talk, so I can go and see a beauty in the background right here. So you see me? And I can see the beauty. I will go and stay so boom and do the face tracking on this. I have the asthma pocket. Yeah. You see me? I do the face tracking so I can go and enjoy what I say. But as what I say, I pass me there Port Antonio. And I say, yo, I come down from the beach side there, so I make it go and see what go on, Yeah. I want to go and a little inspiration and idea, yeah. Because seeing is believing, once I see. Then things that what I enjoy every day. You see me? I not take this for granted. Because I live in a house, lock up in a house in the winter time. You know what I mean? Everything where you have to do, for entertainment wise, America, you have to pay for it. You see me? I want to say, oh, I'm bored, I want to go do something. You have to pay for guy movie, you have to pay for this, you have to pay for that. Everything is pay. And this is naturally free. I can just literally drive, come out here and come chill. You see me? And buy 2 fish or whatever and do my thing. I can't even cook. Because I want riverside and just cook some food. And them things that I depend right now, enjoyment. You see me? Back to the days when I used to go to school and then thing there. So we just run a boat with your friend. And them vibes that I depend. You see me? Then things that make me feel happy and nice. You see me? Yeah, it's not all about money and paying for these things. More just come out the door. Because seeing water, you see me, hearing the wave crash against the shore, or just go on a river and just hear the water around and go in there, go make 2 swim. You see me? Cook some food on the riverside. And them vibes are the thing. And them vibes there make you live long, you see me? Breathing the fresh air, yeah. No pollution. Yeah man, so that's I try to motivate each and every one. Yeah man. If they come from the Caribbean, yeah. Caribbean island, all of them beautiful. I'm going to try and hold something back in the country and go enjoy in the country. Because people from Europe, America, all over the world, Canada, England, everywhere, I enjoy it for you. When I come enjoy the right way and stop put off. You see me? One of my brother drop out one day and we had all these plans. Yeah, we have all these plans where we're going to say, yeah man, we're going to do a family reunion, we're going to do this, we're going to do that. And see the man drop out. The man drop out, the man a what? The man not even reach 50. The man not reach 50 and the man drop out. So you never know what clock a strike. You have to say, I go work till me retire, but who tell you say I go reach this? So enjoy right now. Put yourself in a position where you can enjoy right now. Stop run down big house and big car. You see me? Because I see him pass and go on there, where big house and big car go. No. I say I want a little cabin I live in. I buy a piece of land and build up a little board house. You see me? a little 10 by 12 board cabin I live in. Right now in Jamaica. I'm happier than, you see me, America. Yeah, man. I feel happy and I feel comfortable. You see me? I'm not done with America yet still, you know. I still have one things over there and I have to go back, go to work and things. But I put these things in perspective, I put these things in motion. I don't wait till retirement age. Don't wait till, 65. And I say, oh, what am I going to do now? You know what I mean? Try put things into play from now. You see me? So that I do. I buy a piece of land and I have my own idea, my own vision. So just come up with your own idea, your own vision. Kind of everything I go fit everybody. Piece of land might not fit you. You might not be able to keep up with it. Or that is not your vision. You might just want a little ski mouse. But if you can hold something in your country, star, you love half a grey beard. Yeah, man, if you can hold something in a country, you know, hold it. You know what I mean? For real. That's a big enough, please. Yeah, man. Want to enjoy the view behind, man. I love it, don't you? Yeah, man, a nice piece of view. So, I don't have all I answer them. I don't have all I solution them. But I just make that video to encourage each and every one to just work towards a goal, work towards a plan, work towards a vision to come have something on a country, wherever that may be. You see me I say? Yeah. So, just go and follow my journey and go and let me inspire, by showing the things that I do, and that might trigger something in that phone brain and make them say, yo, say, your brother right, you need to start though, boom bang bang. You see me, come together with your family member or your wife or your significant other, you see me, your kids, them, whoever you have to come together with and make a plan wherever you come from and start put things in motion. You see me, get the ball rolling, get the thing going right away. Yeah, because I'm not lie, it's a Sunday. I'm just out here chilling. You know what I mean? Cool breeze a blow. And I just listen to the shore. You see me? So it's nice. You see smile on my face. I smile a while and I give my face a rest. Raise my hand to the one that love the best. Yeah, man. I just be an enjoyment every day. No stress, less stress. Yeah. Whole heap of natural food. I plant a whole heap of things for my land already. Next 2-3 years, that land is gonna be like it's gonna be my farmer's market. Yeah. That land is gonna be my farmer's market because I plant up everything for it. All type of fruits and everything. So whatever is gonna be in season, it's gonna be in me. What I'm saying? But yeah, for that joke aside, yeah man, I plant up a whole heap of things. As you can see, I reap a whole heap of plant and a whole heap of banana already because they come in fast. I have sweet potato over there enough. I have plant pineapple, cherry, guava, mangoes, you name it, I plant it over there. So I just time some of them I take to come in the right way. I have jackfruit tree. I have every type of tree over there. So like I say, whatever they in a season, I got have it on the land style. Nah lie. I just want to motivate for us. You see me do the right thing. Have a goal in life when I work towards. And this is not for everybody. Some people are going to, like when people live in America, they go retire in Florida. But if this is for you, you see me, this is a public service announcement. Yeah, that's a public service announcement for people who need a little push. Kind of everybody can just get up like me. You see me? When I watch some video on YouTube, I say, nobody like me. Can be a white people, they say, I do certain things, I do some off-grid style and ray. But I'm still inspired by them. And I say, alright, start make some video because I want people see people like them, who look like them and sound like them. I do the things where them have in their mind. And that's me. So, I'm not really good for making video, but I'm making video them. And the more and more I make video, I know I'm going to get better at making the videos them. So, this is a public service announcement, as I say, at the top. Yeah, put things into play. I'm not throwing a pad and not throwing a so. Yeah, make sure I say, yo, this I go back, yes, so we go do that. Go towards my ski mouse. This I go towards, down payment pan this, down payment pan that, to get my land and all these things. Please, man, beg enough. I'm not like, I'm not going to regret it. If you not have kids or if you not have whatever, make sure you try set a foundation. Make them come sooner have things. You see me? When them come from your land and state and juke off two jelly off a tree and wash off them heart, them can say, yeah, I'm a father place, I'm a mother place, I'm a parents place, this. You see me, them feel proud, they can bring their friends and the other people come over, they can enjoy. You see me, because it's just a joy. For me, when time my family come over there and we drink jelly and them pick things off a tree and we can give them one bunch of banana and a couple finger plant and I feel good on myself, star, but I lie. Yeah, I just that's a thing there. So, I live in a little one bedroom, I feel sweet, like Celine Dion. But yeah, there you go, there you have it. Just keep following me, man. Keep following me. And I just go and keep motivate. You know, want a little motivation? Yeah, just find my channel, like, share and subscribe. And yeah, stay focused. What I call under my beard, I'm out.